Yeah, welcome back guys. Today we're just gonna look about a nice, simple, delicious fried chicken. We have a nice fried chicken recipe for you guys today. This fried chicken recipe is the first fried chicken recipe me actually ever learn for prepare fried chicken. But now I know a whole bunch. But I start off with this one. Later on I might show us another different ways of my fried chicken. But this one, the first way, this is the way my mommy teach me. I bring it to you. But in the meantime, thank you guys for being back. Thank you for tuning in, watching my show. Love you guys. Love my subscribers. All the new subscribers gonna subscribe to me today. Love you guys just the same. Alright? Gonna show you right now. Line up. And these are all the seasons that I'm gonna use tonight. I'm gonna put the actual amount in the description. So guys, you don't need to come for me. I got you. I'm gonna do all of the season up in the pot here. Alright. Ready to season up into the pot. We have the chicken wings. Just fold them there. Just like them. Nice. Now I'm gonna season it up. Onion, garlic and scallion. Pimiento, crushed red pepper flakes, thyme. You can just use the regular thyme or have the powder that the thyme leaves here. Cayenne pepper, always optional. Paprika is a must, get a nice color. All purpose. About nice 3 spoon salt, Scotch bonnet pepper. After you guys finish seasoning up the chicken right now, you make it at least stay there. Just sit there for like half an hour and then you can turn on the fire. We have it set there for the time already. So make it just turn on the fire right now. All the way up on high and let it steam for around 15-20 minutes max. Okay? Because we're gonna fry it afterwards. But it's gonna soak in all of the flavor of all of the seasoning them we will just put in and then we're gonna fry it. Alright? Stay tuned. Yeah, we reach 15 minutes here now. Time to turn off the stove. Look at that. Look at that. Them just steam down in all the seasoning them in them well flavorful there right now. But you have to make this stay and cool for another about 10 minutes before we're gonna powder them and fry them. We're gonna look about the powder, the things to powder the chicken them now, for flour the chicken them right now. Yeah man. Ready. Alright now, the chicken there is cool. Get some flour in our container and maybe just season it up around ready to powder or flour the chicken there. Lemon pepper, love that seasoning. That's a touch of black pepper. Thyme. Parsley. You don't know, Cayenne optional, very optional. Sazon, give it a nice color. You can see it on the chicken them already. And some all-purpose. Whip this around. We're good to go. In the meantime, guys, I want to thank you guys. Thank you Thank you for subscribing. I love you guys. I love my subscribers. Trust me. If it wasn't for you, I would have nothing to do right now. Remember me tell you. Love you guys. Come on, I line up the stuff them like this so you guys can see the steps then. From the chicken in the pot with the seasoning, to the flour, to the plate where you make them rest in, to this oil where you're gonna put them in. You turn on the stove with the oil already, so I'm gonna put some garlics in it, in the skin still. Because the oil, when you put them in a hot oil, when you peel them burn very quickly. This should make them keep the flavor right through. Put them on the oil until they get hot and drop in some pimiento. Flavor the oil, so flavor the chicken. And you know, here's a secret I'm going to teach you right now, guys. You see, the longer you make this the flour stay on the chicken, the crispier the chicken then become. Okay, because the flour seep the juice from the chicken soak in with the flour and form a kind of crust with the flour. Alright, so when you put it in after a while, it come out crispy. The less time you make it stay here, so the softer it be. Just depending on how you want and stuff, right? Alright, we're going to zoom in on the chicken them now, on the part of the oil, and we're going to put the chicken them in it. Yo guys, this chicken are delicious. I guarantee you know. I guarantee you know it are no money back. Yeah, guys. Alright, hot right now. Ready for the chicken then. Yeah man. Right now, you're going to make these chicken fry for about like 5 minutes or so. Right now, what does color you try to make them get enough? Because the chicken are already seasoned up already. And make rest for a minute. Then you take them and you steam them in all that seasoning, so then come them steam them with all that flavor. And now you season up the flour and I put them in it. I have to fry them. Oh my god, guys, this right now. And I think I need to send out more. 5 minutes later, time to turn them. So just make it see another 4-5 minutes on the next side, and we fry chicken them. Done, guys. Can't make them stay fry and fry longer than that, you know, but we don't want to fry chicken dry out. We want to fry chicken nice and juicy, right? Remember me tell you this bad right now. Yeah guys, after another 5 minutes on the other side, time to take the chicken them out of the aisle right now. Remember me tell you. Napkin, plate. Oh my god. Look at this. It's delicious right now. Delicious. Oh my god. once again, I would like to thank all my subscribers for tuning in yet another time to see me look about at yet another delicious dish. And this fried chicken right now, guys, is delicious. I tell you, having a Corona, having one of these chicken wings. Look at this. Look. Look. So until my next dish, guys. But I know some of you guys, some of us going back to work. Some of us are back to work already because New York is opening back up. Guys, stay safe. Stay safe. Continue practicing your social distance. Stay safe. You can stay and cook some more food. Alright? Enjoy, guys. Enjoy.